Election Baku and Hunsen be brave. Election Baku and Hunsen be brave. Hey, Ghana Focus. Welcome to today's edition of the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Celebrity News TV page. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Let's listen to reasons why some Ghanaians did not go out to vote, and I'll come back and tell you something.
Hello, good evening.
My radio non call from Otuaba.
There.
Adintia.
My wife.
Adintia.
Delegate. A big moto, Omoda Chile. It's a 50 Ghana. A Kuramania. A big moto, big for
50 Ghana now. 50 Ghana now the other day.
50 million Quakra. I just quiet the up one review. At least, actually, slow.
But I say, good evening.
Good evening, boss.
Otuaba.
Mpacho David.
Adintia.
Mpacho, me diane say for the part Ikufa na say Ikufa do ba no. Na me sorry 6 ma fa ka akra ejima. And so for the past 8 years, me ka fa wan den. It say first na me sorry say me sorry 40 ma ko ka ho. And am dey akọ Me sure my brabo no and say wan den more. Me na me hu so fa so say me sorry ma ko to aba no. Na ma ha mo ankoto no.
Okay, and I feel Abrabono be ye me that say hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Boko dear.
Boko.
Mini Otuaba.
Mantuaba.
Adintia.
Sir, what the as summer with free location with a co-location. No from PC. No for call. Oh, him was walls in Uncle Yellow friend from Beno. Then for call be seen there. It's very much.
Okay, me that say good evening.
Good evening.
Otuaba.
Pacho Manso.
Adintia.
Tania omo ye delegate for ye be mo musika bebre. Na yen so omo ba na omo keka kire yen. Yen so ye nya hwe me se be pe 100 cities na me de akonkọ kwa akoto maba. Me ye frɛ obi ama me hwe. Me so me nya dwuma sesei. Enti ba bia na me ye dwuma ka be fa wonti me nya dwuma bia sesei. Na me ye cho ba wo kwan ho. Ka be fa me nya dwuma. 100 cities am de kokko akoto aba no ma nya bi. Enti na mama ankoto no me nua be ma.
Me da say so wa be count there. Greater Accra for me de musia me ko Central Region. Mo am Central Region ya mutie ye through Mesre Greater Accra. O friend na wo Greater Accra me pacho me you free so.
Okay, welcome back. And these were the reasons why some Ghanaians, and I believe say most of these people now me NPP for they decided not to go and vote. I believe said the former president J. Kufuor said something. He said, it is better for your party to be in power, for you not to get anything, than for your party to be in opposition. I repeat, the former president, His Excellency J. Kufuor said, it is better for your party to be in power, for you not to get anything, than for your party to be in opposition. And it is very true. Uti nsema nkrofo we kano. Sorry to say, but almost all of them no. Uba who say, or dry was say, or mine bapa, e woman ni mine, and new mimu. Esan say, you can't tell me that uwo Ghana from January, unim say election or December mo. Now, utime say you could have saved your lorry fare at least over 12 months to go and make your voice heard through your ballot. Number 2, omukasa muno. It is not because they don't have the money or couldn't have saved the money or couldn't have afforded. Omasem nyina say delegates of the party no eya amukoto aba no eya ankofo ma omunyama na ye ma omunyama no nso no eya amu ba be ka kire omu And the party delegates will get things that they also will not get the end of moon to abano. And then who is losing? Who has lost? Who will suffer it? Who is going to suffer for 4 years? Yenyina. Say we are delegate, say we are delegate, say yenyina yebebre. Remember, it's better for your party to be in power, for you not to get anything, than for your party to be in what? Opposition. Now, let me address this. One guy said, no, he used to wake up at 6 a.m. to get bus to work before Akufo-Addo came. Now that Akufo-Addo has come, he has to wake up at 4:30 to fight over bus. So his life is not better. So that's why they didn't vote. Selfishness. Why? The fact say you used to wake up at 6 and you got bus, and now you wake up at 4:30, and there are a lot of people who are also waking up to tell you that over the period, more people have gotten employment. That is what it should tell you. Say over the period, more people have gotten jobs. And to you, a citizen of Ghana, we your member pa, you are angry. You did not go out to vote. Esan said, more of our citizens have gotten jobs. And because of that, competition over vehicles has increased. So you have to wake up at 4:30 until you feel say your life has not become better. What kind of reasoning is this? What kind of reasoning is this? How do we build a nation with this kind of mentality in our heads? How? It is so disappointing. Mobo. So disappointing. Now, delegates, listen to me. You are one of the reasons why NPP lost this election. Yes. And we won't shy away from telling you, most of our delegates are the reason we lost the election. Because sometimes, excuse me, but sometimes I wonder if the brain that God has given us, we all have one in our heads. We are delegate, NPP delegate. Yeko tuaba in our internal election. Now media houses, omu cameras, ene omu microphones mba, omu be interviewer. Now jina camera na him say, oh, camp we mami 700, we mami 600, we mami 400, we su mami 800. Nansi mi kotuma we. Oh, we mami flash screen TV, we su di sewing machines buy, we su di iron buy, we su di way buy, we chiche fridges, we chiche microwaves. Now uka, ewo TV in him, ewo camera in him, ewo microphone in him, and you are proud. You now get delegates of NPP. And because of those things, people who were not delegates, who were grassroots members, they also sat down and said, hey, so this is what delegates are getting? Then for the general election we are expecting our share. And so for the general election, you will see people say that, and I mean lorry fair. Who the lorry for the command partner, and I mean call Amendi Dane. And there were a lot of such people. Me kwa mede den, me ni lorry fair. Me kwa mede den, me ni lorry fair. Me to about Kumasi, me wo Cape Coast. Me to about Takrady, me wo Tamale. Me to about Bolga, me wo Volta, me wo Ho, me wo Howe. Not because it's genuine, it's just because they saw delegates who were flaunting the things they were being given. And that is the reason people are calling for a wider delegate system. Because the delegates no doswa. Se naba no more doa. Will you be able to buy free and share to all of them? I doubt. Se naba no more doa. Will you be able to buy TV and share to all of them? Will you be able to give 700 and I say 800 to all of them? Moi haye papa. Do you think, say, NDC delegates were not, they didn't give them things? They gave them things. They gave them things for God's sake. They gave them things. Yet, they kept it secret. They kept quiet on it. The only thing we heard was the flag bearer, John Mahama then, who came to say, or more there are 70 cities for transport. But beyond those 70 cities, no, they gave them things. Omo pieces, no Jessica, omo Nyama. But they never came on any television station to come and say, oh, we mommy fridge, we mommy iron, we mommy say, we mommy owo, we mommy cramine, we mommy koto. And you did this thing and you watch for our party to go into opposition. You watch our party to go into opposition. If we are going to win or come back stronger in 2028, if at all the elephant family will come back stronger in 2028, then our delegates, and you don't blame only the delegates, because the delegate system starts from somewhere. It starts from voting for polling station executives. And the people who are on the album who vote for polling station executives, no, let's go and vote for people who are wise. Let's go and vote for people who cannot be bribed. Let's go and vote for people who are matured. Maturity of mind. Maturity of thinking. So that you don't get delegate to come and be granting unnecessary interviews to television station to send it to opposition. This has been the political rant with me, The Voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please, as usual, like, comment, share, and then subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Click on the notification bell so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye bye. Cheers.